guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of April. I actually took a peek at what we're getting in this box. I always look at the sneak peeks on Instagram for BoxyCharm, and I did my makeup accordingly. So I have most of my eyeshadow on. I have no lips on because we're getting lips in the box, and yeah, so we'll play around. Also, if you're wondering what t-shirt I have on a Breaking Bad shirt. If you watch Breaking Bad, you know who this is. Leave a comment down below if you've actually watched Breaking Bad. If you haven't, definitely watch on Netflix. It's a long series, but it's so worth it. Awesome, awesome show. Jumping right into the box, we got a card, which is a little different than the normal BoxyCharm card that we got. There's coupons on the back this time. And here's a little visual. It says eye candy. Ooh, and the card is so different this month. So it has kind of little visuals of everything you're getting in, and then the price points are right on this card. So jumping right into it, I'm gonna go into this guy. This is what I've been waiting for all month. It's a ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and this is their semi-precious eyeshadow palette. I have been dying to know which eyeshadow palette I was gonna get this month because I believe there was a choice of 4 or 5 different palettes that you could have gotten. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. It has rose gold or copper, actually. Copper metallic writing. And this whole palette is metallics, which I know for a fact my friend Desi hates. She texted me and was like, why did we get all metallics in this palette again? Having a metallic palette like this is nice if you want to kind of just add a pop to your shadow. I definitely couldn't create a whole complete look with this, but you know, it's nice to add a pop. I'm going to use the brushes we got in last month's box, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some of these shadows right on my eyes. Alright, so all I did off camera was apply the Tortise mascara, which I love this mascara. So glad we actually got this in our BoxyCharm. And that's it, but so far, I'll give you a look at how the eyeshadows look. I really love these shadows. Very creamy, very blendable, super nice, like so pigmented. This palette itself, let's say, it retails for, oh, this is actually kind of a more expensive palette. As far as I know for ColourPop, it retails for $26. So right there and then, you already pay for the box because the box is $21 a month. So next thing I'm going to use in the box is this guy. This is from Artis, New York, high definition liquid lipstick. So it says luxurious, creamy, long wearing liquid lipstick. This one's actually cruelty-free, it says cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free. So very nice. I'm going to use that. Literally, my dog, just want to let you guys know, has not moved for hours, literal hours, has not moved. The minute I turn on my camera, she's like, all through the house. It's like so annoying. It's like she has a radar and knows what I'm doing. Like, let me mess up mommy's video on purpose. Anyway, and the color that I got, the fuck? Alright, so the liquid lipstick itself has no sticker or anything in the bottom. And then the box, I don't see any name on the actual box, but on the paper that they gave you, it says Debbie's Fave. So I'm assuming that that's what it's called. It's called Debbie's Fave. The color is really pretty. This is definitely the kind of lipstick I love to wear. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Alright, love the color. Definitely love it. The scent is really nice. Has a nice vanilla-y-ish scent. The texture, I don't know how I feel about it. It's very thick and very sticky. It almost made it kind of hard to apply with the wand. It's not a regular liquid lipstick where it dries down matte. Yeah, it doesn't actually say in there that it does dry down matte, which I definitely don't think it will. But it almost feels, the texture that it reminds me of is like, if you've used Laura Mercier's like lip lockers. Hi, Molly. If you've used Laura Mercier like lip lacquers where it's that thick, very sticky feeling, I don't mind the feeling, but it's definitely not something I would kiss my boyfriend with, you know. Very pretty color though, and that retails for $24. The next product in the box that I'm super excited for, because we've actually gotten this brand in BoxyCharm beforehand, is this guy, and this is from the Brow Gal, as you can see, and it is the Brow Gal
Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Tinted Eyebrow Gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows.
Unfortunately, I already have brow gel on. I actually have the Brow Gal clear brow gel on my eyes, but I'm going to try this over my brows. I have their clear brow gel, I have their brow powders, and their angled brush, all of which I got in BoxyCharm, and I love, like literally they're my go-to everyday products. So hoping this doesn't fail me. And ooh, and the wand is teeny tiny. This is actually a tinier wand than my Gimme Brow. So if I wanted to compare them, I'm going to show you over here actually. So if you want to compare it to the Benefits Gimme Brow, this is Gimme Brow, which is a little thicker and shorter, and this is skinny and longer, which seems like it'll be a really good brush. And the color that they gave me is Brown Hair number 2. I don't know what that means, but let's try it. Absolutely love the brush off the bat. The color is actually really not bad at all. I could definitely tell it's a little warmer. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Look at that brow. And then look at this brow. You could tell it's a little bit warmer, which I like actually, because now that I have highlights in my hair, it kind of warms me up, but it doesn't look gray. Yep, I think that this is literally going to replace my Gimme Brow as my brow gel. This is really nice. Absolutely love this wand. This one is an A+ by far. Love it, love it, love it. And that it retails for $22. Awesome. All right, next product in the box that I got was this guy, also from Tarte, and this is the Tortise Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I'm gonna try this over my highlighter that I have on right now. I'm actually wearing a powder highlight, but we're gonna try that over it. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. And this says Tortise Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter.
Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls suspended in a hybrid gel cream.
Blah, 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 blah. And this product retails for $29. Oh no, all of them say somebody's favorite. Okay, so this one's Joelle's fave. The Brow Gal was Barbie's fave. The liquid lipstick was Debbie's favorite. I don't know what the heck the name of that liquid lipstick is. That's so weird. I don't know. Unless mine was just weird and didn't have a name in the bottom. If you got this exact version of the BoxyCharm box, let me know in the comments below. Did you get a name underneath your liquid lipstick? Because mine definitely doesn't have a name anywhere. So, anyway. Alright, Tortise Pro Glow. We're going to try that on my cheeks. So, it has a little squeezy tube bottle. I'm using a MAC 132 brush, which is a dual fiber mixture of synthetic and natural hair bristles. I'm going to do this right on top of my highlight. Oh, this is, oh my god, that is beaming. Beaming. This highlighter is a lot more almost shimmery than I expected. It's not bad, it's just very metallic. It's definitely more metallic than glowy. So if you like that look, you'll love this. I think this would be really pretty over a cream foundation, or even mixing it. I think that would be really nice into your foundation to give it a glow. But alone, it's a little, whoo, girl, it's a lot. If you're not into metallic highlighters, you will not like this product, but so far, I like it. I like it a lot. All right, and last but not least, the last product in this box is Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner.
This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface.
So what this is it kind of seems almost like the Glam Glow Super Mud, where it's one of those, you know, it pulls the oil from your skin. Unfortunately, obviously, I have makeup on, so I can't try this on camera. But Dr. Brandt is a really well-known brand, and it's kind of pricey. Like, she's a hefty coin, this product. This actually retails for $47, and this is not that big of a tube. So yeah, it's actually on par with Glam Glow, how expensive. I'm gonna just put a little bit on the back of my hand to show you the texture of this. Alright, I think I'm wrong with this product. This is way different than I expected. This actually looks like a gel on my hand. Really weird. And then it has like little beads in it that burst when you... Oh, and the beads burst. And then it makes it blue. This is definitely really cool. I can't wait to try this. I'll try this once I take off my makeup, and I'll let you guys know how I feel, like if it gives me any reaction or anything, because everybody calls me Bubble Girl. If you want to know if something is going to give you a reaction or if you're likely to get allergic to something, I'm like the guinea pig. If it doesn't bother me, it probably won't bother you. So yeah, that completes this month's box. I definitely liked my BoxyCharm box this month. I don't know if it was one of my favorites of all time, but it was definitely a good box. Let me know what version of the BoxyCharm you got this month. What palette? Did you get the same Semi-Precious palette? And also let me know if that liquid lipstick had a name for you. I don't know if you guys noticed, I also have a new backdrop. I hope you guys like it. It worked really, really hard to make it look the way it did. Thank you to George for helping me out. Begrudgingly, but thank you for helping me. And yeah, if you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you are subscribed to my channel, definitely make sure you hit that notification bell. It'll let you know every single time that I upload a new video. And make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and if you didn't, too bad, hit it anyway. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms, which I'll put right over here. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.